Here's a step-by-step guide for creating a copy of your previously ordered family history project so you can continue editing it and reorder it. Begin by heading to the Account Orders section under your user profile. You can get to that section by choosing My Account in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Then, choosing Orders in the left-hand menu bar. Click the Show Detail button next to the project you're wanting to reorder. Locate the project under Ordered Products, then click Continue with Creation. Once you've selected Continue with Creation, a copied version of your previously ordered project will automatically open in the editor, where you can begin to make any necessary changes. Once you're done, don't forget to name your project in the upper menu bar. Once named, be sure to hit Save. Your project will appear in your drafts for future use, or you can select Add to Cart and order immediately. To reorder one or more copies of a previous order without making any changes, please see our video on that subject, linked in the video notes.